Good morning students, this is your class of business study and in this class we are going to study about debenture, that is a part of sources of business finance, that is your unit number 7. Okay, and now we have already discussed about the preference share, the equity share, the retained profits. These all are the earned capital of company. Alright, but now we are going to study about debenture. Debentures are borrowed capital of a company. These are borrowed capital of a company. So let's start. So first of all, it is an important source of long and medium term finance. Long and medium term finance. Now what does this mean? That means if we are writing here long and medium term finance, that means the debentures are issued for very long period. Long period is above 10 years and medium term is 5 to 10 years, which means debenture are issued from minimum 5 to maximum number of years. There is no limit on maximum number of years. Okay, that is why these are called important source of medium and long term finance. Okay, now what is debenture? Debenture is a loan to company. It is a loan to company, and who have given this loan? This loan is given by debenture holder. This loan is given by debenture holder. Why this debenture holder have given this interest? Debenture holder will receive certain percentage of interest on this loan as bank received from general public. Okay, now the question is, who is debenture holder? Who is debenture holder? Is that person rich enough to give loan to the company? Debenture holders are people among general public. These are people from general public who are having enough of money to invest in some securities, and as debenture is also security, so they can invest money in debenture and give loan to the company and get a particular fixed rate of interest from the company. Now, as shares are divided into small denomination, debentures are also divided into smaller denominations. Debentures are also divided into smaller denominations. Okay, smaller denomination means debentures can be issued for 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 20 and so on. Okay, that is why it become easy for the general public to purchase debentures. If someone asks you about debenture holder, like we have studied a line in shares that shareholder are the owner of the company. So who are debenture holder? Debenture holder are lenders of the company. They have given us loan, so we will call them lenders of the company. Okay, now the thing is, debentures are issued under common seal, because that is the signature of a company. Issued under common seal of the company. All right, and yes, this is a written acknowledgement. Written acknowledgement means there will be a paper on which it will be written that this particular person have purchased the debenture of this company, and the company will provide him or her this particular amount of fixed interest charges. All right, this is debenture, and this written acknowledgement will be the receipt of a particular proof of the loan given by the general public. Now when this loan will be returned, that will be mentioned in the terms and conditions of debenture. Terms and conditions will show the date and day of redemption. Okay, the redemption will be held on the basis of terms and conditions. Because debenture is a loan, as it is a loan, so company have pledged something, mortgaged something. Okay, company have pledged something, कुछ गिरवी रखा है company ने. Okay, what company have pledged? Some of its assets. To whom? To general public. Why? Because they have given the loan. all right. So in case they are suffering any loss due to non-payment of loan, then general public can sell this asset and get back their money. I hope you get the concept of debentures. And yes, one more thing, I will suggest you that whatever PDF I send to you, write that. Like I have sent you meaning of debenture, then write it in the front, write it in the beginning of the heading debenture. Then what to do with these points? What to do with these points? Make a small box and mark it key points. Make a small box and mark it key points like this, and this will be covered as and just like this as I have written in this box, and all these points one by one, the arrows, the signatures, whatever the examples I have given, as it is, write it in your copy. Okay, write it in your fair notebook as it is I have written, and give it heading key points. Key points. Now why we are writing this? Because the definitions and the meaning, that is the lengthy paragraph, is for your understanding. But when you are going to revise this, after 2 to 3 reading of that paragraph, this will be very helpful to you. Okay, so yes, make sure that you have made this in your notebook. This is not a suggestion, this is a order. You have to write it in your notebook. Next is the type of debenture. Types of debenture. So how many types of debenture are there? How many types of debenture are there? Like we have studied, the shares are of 8 types. Okay, pause the video and remind how many types of share were there, which were the 8 types. Now the types of debenture is mainly classified into 7 types. It is mainly classified into 7 types. The first is bearer debenture. Bearer debenture. Okay, which is bearer debenture? Bearer debenture is one which can be transferred to someone. How it can be transferred to someone? Through delivery. Through delivery, which means that if you have given this particular debenture to someone else, then the owner of that debenture will be that person to whom you have delivered this debenture. All right. The second is registered debenture. The second is registered debenture. Now what is registered debenture? Registered debenture means that this debenture is registered in the company. The name of the debenture holder is registered in company, which means company is already knowing that this person is having this particular registered debenture, and if you want to sell this debenture to someone, then what you need to do? You need to change the name of your and place the name of someone else to whom you are selling this in the register of the company. All right. Then the third is redeemable. Redeemable debenture. We have started this term in shares also, redeemable shares. So what are redeemable debentures? Whose amount is payable? Whose amount is payable after particular time. कुछ टाइम के बाद उसका अमाउंट जो है वो पे बैक कर दिया जाएगा. दैट इज redeemable debenture. All right. Now comes to the fourth one. Fourth one is irredeemable. Irredeemable. Okay, irredeemable debenture means the amount will be paid. The amount will be paid on winding up of company. On winding up of company, which means when the company will shut down, only then this debenture will be redeemed. Okay. Next is convertible. That is also known to you. Fifth is convertible debenture. Convertible means a debenture which can be converted into another security. There is a option to convert it into other security. There is an option to convert it into another security, that is convertible. Next is secured. The sixth one, secured debenture. Now, which are secured debenture? A debenture on which company have pledged some asset. Company have pledged or mortgaged some asset. On a particular debenture, if the company have mortgaged some asset, that is secured debenture. And if no asset have been mortgaged, that will be unsecured debenture. That will be unsecured debenture. And the explanation will be no assets have been mortgaged. Alright, that's all. These were the types of debenture, and this mind map will also be drawn in your notebook along with the types of debenture. Explanation that you have to write, but you will also draw this mind map in your notebook for better explanation, better clarity, and for quick revisions. Okay, have a very good day, students.